Mame ma akwaba emfa umbra Ghana insem TVGH so wofre me adwoa searching.
One more did dinner na Akuffo Addo atemo no. Enen omo na praise John Mahama.
Yankopon de.
Na Akuffo Addo maka bie mu. Se wa kan ho asem bone edidi na tem ene adade no wa ukose wo dem a wo de meka na bonte ukose wo dem a se bone fafiri ka che Yankopon se ensem aka to na Akuffo Addo so fa bone nchew na obayi oki. Nkwaku me dey be for the meantime. Fine, what do we want to so? It's very a salon brandy, so we know.
Salon
brandy of Imani Africa. We're vice president, one of the vice presidents, and we Imani Africa. Where is September 21st, 2023?
And they say this, but not say government was a group now also.
Also Troy. Isn't it interesting that of all the things we could talk about at the UN, our president has been happy about reparations for 2 years running till for 2 years running. And you know, where 2023 it is a thing say 2021 2020 no 2022 and 2023 ni nana na Akuffo Addo can reparations once. As other colonized countries have moved on and become great out of swamps and ashes. Finally, if you got the reparation money today, it will all be started in politics and the best and in funny corporations domiciled in islands and ending back in bank accounts in the same countries where the reparations came from. And it will be the property of you, the president, and family members disguised as political affiliates. I'm just sick and tired of how we are always played for fools. When a salon brandy 2023 Abraham Akuffo Addo ko UN General Assembly
nimpeni ni so wa
second time sa DB no so di na tem we nipa what ase no nipa wa asem we salon branch ye ka mo ma bin organ o kan na to ma bin na o ka ho it what ase but we tell you free so and odi atimidi a odidi na Akuffo Addo e ka se scan crop ba on be say e ko sem pass e da gu politics
na Gambia Ghana foko Gambia no obisi ka ba adwoma ma wi aye
ayo
no anya me na no refi
patias enei ya enema foundation na Akuffo Addo build ye ebedu pompon so bi afi de be say eye African project na African project in Ghana na Akuffo Addo na spearhead ya de no enti ye ko UN enu ane de ya
ye fama
Ghana cause Ghana any spearhead ye ye fama the country called Ghana. Whoever is the president they don't care na ye nko ka ho asem na enu ko ka ho asem ye to aba e wo so ye wini amewiase ye de nyamiase say president Mahama so so ba ye cast so enkoya we do oje pini who kai said after a friend say Africa continental free trade e ba no na Akuffo Addo e ka say president Mahama et said ye ko bo AFCON ana World Cup na ye lobby no say ye lobby a e bia sa bedi peli Steven Apia mo ko si Apia mo na mabobo intimo nko animunyam mo ho na mo ko lobby that African countries na Akuffo Addo catch then opposition leader John Mahama say why former president did that it also call other countries na call lobby say ade no emra Africa Mahama anko after Africa continental free trade office na wa ha no but Mahama wa anko etwe wako amakwa ya edimunyam aba ye dase na momo no let nobody seek say obeyi na Akuffo Addo di Friday we mu ya be we sa de obi ampene nya be praise obi a wono oba na aduana ye ready ena nkwan no di guso
abinwa ha
ya be se do wofo no ye okoto ho na manya band o ye moni din dia ena ba hwe na wo boa because Ghana enye nne nko a e start free baby ansa na eba entiwe no esi ho na ya wo mu di na Akuffo Addo atemo no enen wo mu ena praise John Mahama
otimi ma meyi ano obeka kire se eye ntro fita entro ena onam kan Japan edigu ne so edigu na nimu ase enye no nko a wodi ntro gu professor Kanatefa so se one margin group omo akwaji nsase ne amama Kanatefa nsase ne amam Ghana card contract eye ntro eye character assassination eye blackmail na oye entro onam kan Japan edi agu ni paso de bebre in fact nana ya ajanto ase abra ni PURC nsensem ne bai no or say and track in Japan di gu ne so no e to da bia o say nti ohun wo TV so pe na no yem wash ne say onipa de se ne timi tena se e bo ne sirim edi ntro gu nipa e hu fi sa wadi entro bebre wo Ghana ha se a akire afa nkrofo ho a wafa ne ho adi na na ma se me de mechanical enti ba wo mia obisa se personally dey na ba wo mia ya akire se wadi ntro be ka se o kan se dollar eso beti awachi dollar to them no this safama IGP aya in relation to management of the economy and anya ono as individual ba yera kan Japan there wonu ankasa we twantro e de ache Ghana for on several occasions awugusu amena make say ogusu e twantro campaign sha say nsem bebre wo hono mo a waka ni nyina abeda di se enye no kre and on what basis and otimi freba wo mia say oye liar ti yede ni nyina bebro maka chosa no pay ya ye adwuma on the 7,000 workers oni eno nko akeke ye enough factory so mo to dwa say na employ nipa 7,000 no ya tutum ebi on ma ya tum kra be years ni enya adwuma. We have the videos, we have the pictures. Ya the back na wahu na wankasa when make judgment for yourself. So be a catch or say honorable can Japan I was 7,000 workers a yentro on kanu kre so kanu kra o me province Ghana for na Ghana fu obi also we adwuma e bi se adwuma was jiare for ba na kanu kra nka so jiare o kanu kra anka so jiare o kanu kra no because you don't pay the taxes on person be tua taxes so tua enti on kanu
now he had already done a constitutional review committee. Becca Vemewo no kahwa and I know your lawyers nibi. No more ye at the end. Guess what happened? 76% of what the constitutional review committee brought, Mahama rejected all of them. I didn't say this. Becca Vemewo, you play that audio, you type that in, you find that audio on YouTube, you find it anywhere. This is NDC. This is NDC. Yeni atra nenye no kure. Ena pontreni ewu ama ya starti hunu ne tentene. Enu nti wankasa wo manifesto a wo de beji itumi na you read it ra wo se da bi. Che the reason why I would always have a problem with NDC party in NSA, they carry political sentiment too far to the point say or they say or mine that and or they say or mine cry or mine. I didn't in America, sir. Canada na me wo. Maybe Canada na me wo 14 years. I feel we September 6th. Na me di 26 years for Krumoa. Tini pa. But that I could do again, na me di 26. 26 years pretty much in this country. And Osha Neama Krumu Hafo. Eyusu. Osha Neama Krumu Hafo. Edi developer sebium prediasa. Womukurono. Emma ne kokain. Emma ni jine ye. Na eduru yen ye ho. Na ya de saadi ni biba. Ye tuminya yankasa Ghana fo ni bi. Ekundi tia saadi ni se. Ye mpine ma saadi we nye hoda. Eya ne ye na wama. Ebi ni ambulance. Ebi ni free healthcare. Panadiem enye ho kra na mepese medeko. Enye ho. And I'm person me cost 30 free kura. Kuromu ha mi we. On to me nye bibi a winning license. Sa wo ye baba, o ye baba. Na o pese utwetre wo kuromu ha. Ese se wunya ho license say o ye certified baba. Ye the tin bia brew type bia brew wa obetumi aka de wo tin ni bia ho. Baba to say ye na you to me draw a haircut the nam krum eko twitwa we ya paso we blade no krum ha ansa na be sa no na che se waje license yanka say ukra sa cosmetology, you know, in terms of baba, you have trained as a baba. And no na certification. Emma wo baba no, and you nyamba hunti wonya just baba keke debi. We okrachi ni den baba. Baba oyuti na ohun se epobia si ho a otumi tu fo se debi we no metwetra usually no we ba say na tie nya so oyitre keke adi agiska gu ni botom. So be teacher obeje license eno ne boa. Ebre bi make a joke bi wa ha say education minister bi there be director district director CB na okun kurase ba kurase isa omo superintendent ye omo ko ye ko check school mu ne ade they just by the by na teacher ni ba ko kira de watro measure MEASUER ayenim say measure watro TEA esese obo na enkoda ne pronounce teacher ni mapa ochire ade e school mu ohun measure no se mi azure na enkoda ne so mi azure or say everybody mi azure na enkoda ne so age so mi azure teacher ni mapa or say everybody tia na enkoda ne so age so tia T no eda na tia men kama ne nkwachiri me kama na ekusi education minister director no hu say ekoso no ba no say there be o the outchere nkoda ne de enye no kore measure na we so T obewura classroom no kon kan kire nkoda ne se onya no wrong osio papa no ojira no se sia no fira aban mu ba osio ma sesa no se enye mi azure bio measure we so nyetia bio 18. These were the teachers I want us to see how serious this is. Teacher Nina ochre obadie no. Sebium prediasa wabon. Na dia ya woman say. Teacher ni person ye professional with a teaching profession as a real professional. Now, also say on person better license exams. Think about it. You are a teacher going to teach kids, and you don't want to be like, you don't want to write. You test your kids for exams, but you, the teacher, don't want to be examined. How does that even make sense? And NDC so say. You were teacher for bebre was system no ya shut down control license exams bia ebinum wie SS na na yesu we dia so ye kakra no moto no koto baabi okoshe private school bia no di bewura mu entinye teacher bia no ko training college so you train teacher ebinum fa kwan bebre so no mo de ba mu that's adia edia ne ye de ba teacher fo ni na tro. They said the person we a doctor who could trust standard test. They said the person we a lawyer who could trust hadi no. Na emema wenya professional mpo wu free Ghana mpo eba Canada ya meka nkyere we say uni certificate as a teacher. Yenya NDC ya empe Ghana ye. A teacher near assessor or no na or yet exams me bad say on person a license exams and unto be jinaso edia tuaba edia tia by now or man license exams into na be a professional teacher because or ye licensed and this in ya by papa NDC and ya by ya a gene Ghana say percent ma Ghana call like in any good direction. No. Because look how many years crowd maybe the Ghana so till date as we speak. There is nothing you can call their president's name and say, we. It benefits Ghana. They don't have it. Share the page. The page no yanko. Repost if you can. Let us see NDC for who they are, erudites. That is what I want Ghanaians to know. Mama ye who say NDC for ni bibi papa biya. One more by then, one more day back kaya homa Ghana and to Nippon and say Ghana to Nippon. There is nothing like that with them. No.